Beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fash Fab. For those who are new, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for hitting that button to watch this video. So today I am back with the most controversial makeup launch for 2018, well, July 2018, and that would be the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. Yes guys, I'm guilty. I went ahead and I picked it up because I wanted to give it a try. So Beauty Blender released a picture on their Instagram, I think it was either last week or the weekend before, of their new release that they will be adding to their collection, which is the Bounce Foundation. When I first saw the picture, I was like, I love that freaking packaging, like I have to get that. But that was before anyone even saw the shades that they were going to be releasing. So a couple days after, 3 or 4 days after, Trend Mood actually posted a picture on her Instagram page with the shades, and I was like, what in the 2018 is going on here? Like, I'm seeing so many whites, so many medium shades, and there's like 3 or 4 shades for women of color. Like, I was thinking, like, didn't when Rihanna released her makeup line last year that a lot of these makeup companies would have actually learned? Like, come on. So anyhow, long story short, Beauty Blender did a well, I don't know if it was a press release, but they commented and said that Trend would put a filter over the picture and that's not how the shades are. But then when the foundation was actually released, like, holy crap, like, yeah, it's actually 3 or 4 shades for women of deeper color. They said it was supposed to be a all-inclusive makeup line, but it's not, and they got a lot of backlash. But anyhow, sidetrack from the backlash, I still wanted to go ahead and give the foundation a try. So I picked up the shade in 4.50. Now Beauty Blender said that this is a liquid whip wear foundation and it's supposed to give you full coverage, a velveteen finish, and it's supposed to make you look as if you're pro artist airbrushed on pictures on and off screen. So let's see if that hold up to the test, guys. So I'm gonna go in now, and this retails on Sephora for 40 bucks. I'm kind of really spooked about this because Jackiana did her review on the foundation, and when she swatched the shade that I got, I was like, shit, that looks so freaking orange. So I'm really scared right now, guys. So basically the packaging has an open and close button on the back, so I'm going to open that, and it has the dispense right here where it matches up to the Beauty Blender, and I'm using the Beauty Blender tool to apply it. So I'm going to hold it down like this because just in case, why isn't that doing? Just in case it's not my shade, I'm returning this when I'm in the States to Sephora. Okay. So I already went ahead. I'm gonna start with 2 pumps. Oh, this looks so orange. Oh Lord have mercy. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so freaking scared. Ooh. Pray for me. Okay, so I already primed my face with my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched moisturizer, and I use my Too Faced Coating Matte Primer. So okay. Oh my gosh, what in the jeepers creepers is this? Anyhow, guys, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm just gonna continue doing this because I already started. Oh my gosh, this is so not my shade. Okay, I'm gonna blend it out. Oh my gosh, this is, oh my gosh, I want to stop. Oh, okay guys, this is so freaking orange. Like, this shade claims on Sephora that it's supposed to be a warm tone. This is so far from that warm tone. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, guys, oh my gosh, I want to stop. Whew. Why am I even continuing doing this? Oh my gosh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. Okay guys. I'll be right back. Okay, oh Guys, this is so not my shade. Oh my gosh, what in the trickery is this? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. Whew, whew. This is a lot to digest. Okay guys, so let's get into this. Number one, this is totally not warm tone. Like, look at this. Like, look at my neck, look at my face. Like, this is so freaking orange. Like, I'm looking like those little minions that's from Willy Wonka, the chocolate factory. Yes, that's how I'm actually looking right now. So, oh Lord have mercy. So guys, I am gonna go off camera and I'm gonna finish doing my face. I actually have another video that I was supposed to push out tonight, but judging from this, I won't. Like, seriously, I won't even bother. So I'm gonna highlight, contour. Well, I don't even have to contour because this shit is just orange as AF. Oh my gosh. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna try and bring some life back to this trickery. Yeah, and just see what it comes up with. But this is okay, beautiful people. So I am finished. My makeup is complete. I had to go in and try to use my Makeup Forever Duo matte powder in the shade 218. I also use my NARS radiant concealer under my eyes just to brighten it up a bit because I was looking way too umpalunka orange. Guys, one thing I can say about the foundation, to be honest, is that it's very lightweight. Even now on my skin, I'm not feeling where it's cakey or anything. I do believe that it is a buildable foundation. However, the shade range is just so freaking off. Like, it is so off. This one is a 4.5 and it's so freaking orange. The shade up from that is a 4.4, which if I had tried that shade would have been so freaking yellow on me. Now the 4.5 on their website claims to be a warm undertone. This is so far from being a warm undertone. I do believe when a lot of these makeup brands are coming out, especially with foundation itself, I believe that they should actually bring women of every different shade range just to get some idea of what undertone other women are. Not every woman of color is a red undertone. Remember that. We have some of us that we're neutral, we're warm, we're red, yes, we're, but I don't know if anyone's orange. Probably you have a few people who are orange or you have a neutral undertone, but most of these makeup companies just assume that every woman of color is a freaking red undertone or a freaking orange undertone like this. Like, I think you all need to do better. It's 2018. It's 2018. Like, I am so disappointed because I love Beauty Blender. I love their beauty blenders. I own at least probably 3 of these. So I just expected for a big makeup line that they would have done better. I mean, look at Rihanna when she came out with Fenty Beauty. Like, she got it right on the first try, the first launch, her first launch, and it was a complete success. Every woman of color from the lightest to the darkest had a shade. Whatever you're albino, you had a shade. With this one, I don't find it to be inclusive makeup line, not makeup line foundation line. It is so not inclusive. With only 4 shades for deeper shades of for women, no. No sis. I believe Beauty Blender needs to go back in that factory, get a few women of color, get ideas of what shade ranges matches us perfect, and then come again. Because this sis, this is, yeah, this is not working. If I step back from the light, do you guys see how that look on my face? And the thing is that the foundation, I have to give it credit, the foundation is so freaking light. It feels so amazing. It blends beautiful. It applies very smoothly. But the downfall is the shade range. You guys saw my expression when I was applying this onto my face. I'm like, should I even continue? Like, and anyhow guys, I'm gonna take this off my face right now. So if you guys do like this video, then please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And Beauty Blender, just please get it together next time. Like, this is such an epic fail. So with this, it's a no for me. I will be returning this back to Sephora. It doesn't even make sense for me to pick up the 4.4. Reason being, it's gonna be too yellow, and I don't want to go out there looking like a banana face. So no. Or looking like Michael Jackson's half sister. No. So I'm gonna be returning this. So anyhow guys, I love you all, and I will see you in my next video.